Hey guys, this is Anjali and you are watching Tech Dad. In this video, we are going to compare between OnePlus Nord versus Realme X3 Super Zoom. And we will discuss which one is better in camera, performance, display, body of the devices, features, communication chips and about the prices. And in the end of the video, I will tell you which one is better according to me. So watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let's start with the main features of the devices, that is camera. Let's start with the rear camera of the devices. OnePlus Nord have quad camera setup, 48 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel of micro camera and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. And about the X3 Super Zoom, it also have quad camera setup, 64 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of telephoto camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel of micro camera. So the winner here is X3 Super Zoom because of 64 megapixel of wide camera. Let's talk about the front facing camera of the devices. Nord have dual selfie camera setup, 32 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera. And X3 Super Zoom also have dual selfie camera setup, 32 megapixel of wide camera and 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera. So it's a tie here. Let's talk about the camera features of the devices. OnePlus Nord have dual LED flash, HDR and panorama, and X3 Super Zoom have LED flash, HDR and panorama. So the winner here is OnePlus Nord because of dual LED flash. And about the video recording options in the devices. Both of the devices can shoot 4K video and 1080p video with gyro electronic image stabilization option, but X3 Super Zoom can shoot 720p slow motion at 960 fps. So the winner here is OnePlus Nord. Moving to the performance of the devices. Let's start with the operating system and user interface of the devices. Both of the devices have Android 10 support. And about the user interface of the devices, OnePlus Nord comes with Oxygen OS and X3 Super Zoom comes with Realme UI. So the winner here is OnePlus Nord because OnePlus Nord give you more frequent updates. Let's talk about the processor of the devices. OnePlus Nord is powered with Snapdragon 765G, which is good for day-to-day apps and can play heavy games at medium settings. And X3 Super Zoom have flagship last year processor, Snapdragon 855 Plus, which is handle easily day-to-day tasks and can play heavy games at high settings. So the winner here is Realme X3 Super Zoom. And about the GPU of the devices. OnePlus Nord is packed with Adreno 620 and X3 Super Zoom have Adreno 640 GPU. So the winner here is X3 Super Zoom because it can give you more FPS in games and better graphics. Let's talk about the clock speed of the devices. OnePlus Nord can clock at 2.4 GHz based on octa-core processor and X3 Super Zoom can clock at 2.96 GHz based on octa-core processor. So without a doubt the winner here is X3 Super Zoom because it have faster clock speed. And about the RAM options of the devices. Nord have 6, 8 and 12 GB of RAM variants and X3 Super Zoom have two variants, 6 and 8 GB. So the winner here is OnePlus Nord because bigger RAM options. Let's talk about the internal storage of the devices. OnePlus Nord have 64, 128 and 256 GB of UFS 2.1 storage options. And X3 Super Zoom have only 128 GB of UFS 3.0 of storage variant. So the winner here is OnePlus Nord because of multi-storage options. And about the external storage options of the devices. Both of the devices did not have any external storage options. So it's a tie here. Moving to the display features of the devices. Let's start with the screen size of the devices. OnePlus Nord have 6.44 inches of punch hole display. And X3 Super Zoom have 6.6 inches of punch hole display. So the winner here is X3 Super Zoom because of bigger size. Let's talk about the screen to body ratio of the devices. OnePlus Nord have 86.7% of ratio and Realme X3 Super Zoom have 84.7%. So the winner here is OnePlus Nord because of slightly bigger ratio. Moving to the display resolution of the devices. Both of the devices have full HD plus display. So it's a tie here. Let's talk about the display type of the devices. OnePlus Nord have fueled AMOLED display with 90 Hz of refresh rate and HDR10 plus support. And about the Realme X3 Super Zoom have IPS LCD display with 120 Hz of refresh rate. So the winner here is X3 Super Zoom because of higher refresh rate. Moving to the body of the devices. Let's start with the thickness of the devices. OnePlus Nord have 8.2 mm of thickness and Realme X3 Super Zoom have 8.9 mm of thickness. So the winner here is OnePlus Nord because of slimmer body. Talking about the weight of the devices, OnePlus Nord have 184 grams of weight and Realme X3 Super Zoom have 202 grams of weight. So the winner here is OnePlus Nord because of lighter body. And about the protective glass of the devices, both of the devices have Gorilla Glass 5. So it's a tie here. Let's talk about the build quality of the devices. OnePlus Nord have glass back with aluminium frame and Realme X3 Super Zoom have glass back with plastic frame. Let's talk about the SIM options of the devices. Both of the devices have dual SIM support. So again, it's a tie here. Moving to some of the main features of the devices. Let's talk about the fingerprint scanner of the devices. OnePlus Nord have under-display fingerprint scanner and X3 Super Zoom have side-mounted fingerprint scanner. So the winner here is OnePlus Nord. And about the sensors of the devices. Both of the devices have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass. So it's a tie here. Let's talk about the battery capacity of the devices. OnePlus Nord have 4115 mAh of battery and X3 Super Zoom have 4200 mAh of battery. So I will call it a tie here because both of the devices have approximately the same battery capacity. And about the charging of the devices. Both of the devices have 30 watts of fast charging. So again, it's a tie here. Let's talk about the loudspeaker of the devices. Both of the devices have normal speakers. So it's a tie here. And same in headphone jack of the devices. Both of the devices did not have any headphone jack. So it's a tie again. Moving to the communication chips of the devices. Let's start with the wireless LAN of the devices. Both of the devices have Wi-Fi AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct and hotspot. So it's a tie here. And about the Bluetooth of the devices. OnePlus Nord have 5.1 version of Bluetooth and Realme X3 Super Zoom have 5th generation of Bluetooth. So the winner here is OnePlus Nord because of latest generation of Bluetooth. Let's talk about the GPS chips in the devices. Both of the devices have dual band GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo and BDS. So the winner here is OnePlus Nord because it have NAVIC chip. Let's talk about the USB connectivity of the devices. Both of the devices have 2nd generation of Type-C connector with USB OTG support. So it's a tie here. Moving to the price of the devices. In international market, OnePlus Nord will be available from $540 and X3 Super Zoom is available from $470 and in Indian market, OnePlus Nord is available from 28,000 rupees and X3 Super Zoom is available from 28,000 rupees. The conclusion of the video is winner in camera, I will call it a tie. In performance, the winner is X3 Super Zoom. In display, it's a tie here. In the body segment, the winner is Realme X3 Super Zoom. In features of the devices, the winner is OnePlus Nord. In communication chips, the winner is OnePlus Nord. And about the prices, the winner is Realme X3 Super Zoom. So the decision is totally yours, which device you like the most so far. And let me know in the comment below, what do you think, which one is better device for you. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like our content, please like our video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Comments, what's your thoughts in the comment below. If you are watching this video on Facebook, please like our page TechDad. And if you want to me follow on Instagram, here's my Instagram ID on the screen. This is Anjali and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.